What's going on, guys? Welcome to the family Christmas road trip?
Road trip?
Yeah.
Question mark?
Question mark. Hashtag road trip for life. Okay, so we are headed to Oregon, just left, and have about 11 and a half hours to go because I drive under the speed limit. No, I know. I'm going 72, the speed limit is 70. But filming the intro now because Daryl's going to be asleep in about 5 minutes, and I will be eating snacks.
Oh, should we go through snack bag?
We'll go through snack bag later, as the time was, I just ate breakfast, so no snack bag. But for you guys who have been on the channel a while, you know that we go hard in the snack bag.
We go hard with our snack bag.
Yeah. So yeah, as we go along, we'll stop and update you guys, show you some scenery, etc. But these two are going to be knocked out in no time because Kobe, with his new thing, we gave him a Zan. So yeah, he's
Give him a Xanax.
a Zanny. Kobe, did you have a Zanny bar? Yeah. Okay. Stay tuned for what's to come. We stopped in, I don't even know where we are, middle of freaking nowhere, because this little turd had to drop some turds. Yeah, he's just enjoying something. Daryl's in there fast asleep, but hopefully now Kobe can sleep because he was whining like crazy. How was your poo, Kobe? How was your poo?
You know it's not a Merrill road trip unless there's a massive snack bag. So now we'll go through the snack bag. This is our snack bag. It's huge because we have a lot of treats from the holidays. We have always chocolate cinnamon bears. He also got Sour Patch watermelons. What I was just eating are these Hello Pandas. Have you guys had these? They're really good. Ghirardelli chocolate with caramel. Mini almond roca bites. Oh, these were my stock. Okay, first of all, these are the best gummy bears, but I find myself that I really just like the red and the green ones, and so for Christmas, the store had a red and a green only package. Kobe's snack. Bacon strips. It is for you, Kobe. Yo ho, pirate's booty for me.
Alright, so I stopped again in the middle of nowhere. Kobe's coming outside to go pee again. And this freaking side skirt thing, this right here, I have the clips in there, but I need double-sided tape, and it just keeps flapping. And people like slow down next to me and they point down at the car. I need to see if I have duct tape in here, but it's so annoying. I just hear whoop, 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 the whole freaking time. Be sweet if take this off-road course, but I'd probably get stuck. Alright, there's that. It's off. It's going in the back until I can get some duct tape. And the duct tape would go, I mean, not duct tape, the 3M tape just goes all around this lip to then keep it from doing that. No more annoying flapping, hopefully. And Kobe's just over here wandering around again. Okay, so I think I found what the issue was. It was this Undershield. And like a plastic one. It only had one clip that wasn't in there all the way, a bolt that was in there all the way. So I took out the bolt, ripped off the clip, and took it off. And I think that's what it was, because looking at the back side of it, it had scratches like it was rubbing on the highway the whole time. So we just stopped at Lowe's. And I got some clear Gorilla tape. I'm just gonna put this piece back on and then tape up just the top seam against the body, because look how it looks right now.
So what's on your shirt?
Freaking, I am so pissed that when we stopped at that last little mud area where I was super excited that Kobe was walking around and stuff, he had mud all over his feet. And I tried cleaning it off. It got over my shirt. It kind of looks like I spilled hot chocolate on myself though. Okay. It looks so ghetto without this on. So you can see that's flapping, which is super annoying. If it doesn't hold it, I'm calling Gorilla Tape, getting my money back. Okay, time to go grab lunch.
Hope it holds. Kind of looks a little sketch, but what do you think, Kobe? Kobe, what do you think? He's looking at you like, that's all you got?
I'm eating super healthy.
That's all you're giving me, Dad?
Peer pressure. There's ice on the...
It's a pre-lit Christmas tree.
Alright, so I thought I filmed an outro, but as I imported the footage, GoPro didn't have anything on it for the outro. But we made it to Oregon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Pretty low-key, just us having a family adventure. But that being said, we're here in Oregon now, and there will still be videos. So stay tuned for those, and we will see you guys on the next one.